Yeah, hello amazing customers. We are working in Tema Committee 25 and I'm here today to give you update on how the pillars looking so nice and marvelous. You see, just look at the stones. These are pure granite stones for your house decoration, as you can see. So nice and marvelous. You see, so nice and beautiful and marvelous. Whatever it is, locate stepping stone design. We always take an time and do a very beautiful design to all my customers around the country in affordable prices. In affordable prices, you see, look at the design. As for this customer, you want the chief for look like one out, one in, one out, one in, one out, one in, one out. So that be how the design going to look like. You see, this is a pure granite stone. You see, look at the face. You see, if you want, you can make it smooth for you. If you want, you can make a design for you. So depend on what you want. This one we know wash them yet too. If you wash them, the white going to bright whitely. You see, this one the white is dirty. You see, this one we know wash them yet. You see. You see. You see, nice one. You see. So whatever it is, just give us a call. Our service is available across the country. You see. So whatever it is, just give us a call. Our service is available across the country. The name is Stepping Stone Design. Bye bye.